You'll practice basic Korean words.
Korean cosmos words. Sun, hae, moon, doll, star, byul, galaxy, unha, sky, ha-nul, ground, tong, sea, bada, earth, jigu, spring, bomb, warm, tateus hada, summer, yolium, hot, diabda, autumn, ga-eul, cool, so nulhada, winter, gyo-ul, cold, chubda, vernal equinox, chunbin, summer solstice, haji, autumn equinox, chubun, winter solstice, dongji, hour minute second, si bun cho, time, si gon, year month date, nyun wal il, anno domini, seogi, zodiac, wangdude, calendar, daliog, longitude, kyongdu, latitude, widow, revolution, gongjan, rotation, jajan, history, yeogsa, continue, jisig. Well done, you just learned Korean cosmos words. Let's keep going with more words. Korean weather words. Cloud, gulium, fog, ongay, dew, isul, frost, seoli, thunder, chandung, lightning, byongay, thunderbolt, biolog, thunderstorm, noeu, rain, b, shower, sanagi, rainy season, jongma, flood, hongzu, wind, balam, heavy storm, pogpong, drought, gamum, heat wave, pogiom, snow, none, sleet, jinunkabi, hail, woo bag, ice, ulam, tide, milmul, ebb, sulmul, wave, pado, typhoon, taepung, earthquake, chijin, tsunami, hail, sunset, noel, rainbow, mujige, sunny, gam, cloudy, halim, temperature, gion, humidity, subdo. Well done, you just learned Korean weather words. Let's keep going with more words. Korean geography words. Mountain, san, peak, bongwo-li, hill, eon-deog, valley, gyegog, slope, be-tall, rock, bawi, cave, dongle, plants, shomog, forest, sup, spring water, semul, creek, gachin, stream, sine, pond, mose, lake, hosu, waterfall, pogpo, river, gong, mudflat, gaseball, delta, samgakju, bay, man, island, som, plain, dulpon, wetland, subji, rice paddy, non, field, bat, bedrock, amban, stone, doll, gravel, jagal, sand, mole, water, mull, fire, bull, grass, pool, soil, hulk, Well done, you just learned Korean geography words. Let's keep going with more words. Korean directions words. East. Dong. West. Seo. South. Nam. North. Bug. Northwest. Buk Seojog. Southeast. Namdongjog. Northeast. Bugdongjog. Southwest. Num Seojog. Front. App. Rear. Dewi. Left. Oinjog. Right. Olianjog. Up. We. Down. Alay. Middle. Gaunde. Edge. Mosioli. Inside. On. Outside. Bucket. Exterior. Oibu. Interior. Nebu. Top. We jog. Bottom. Alejog. Direction. Bonghyang. Location. Witchy. This. Ye gut. It. Goo gut. That. Ja gut. What. Muat. Here. Yogi. There. Gogi. Over there. Jogi. Where. Adi. Well done, you just learned Korean directions words. Let's keep going with more words. Korean government words. Government. Jongbu. Assembly. Uiwei. Court. Piabwen. President. Daetunaliang. Citizen. Gugman. Compatriot. Dongpo. Immigrant. Yi Juman. Public official. Gongmawan. Tax office. Sei Su. Police station. Gyeongcheolseo. Fire station. Sobongseo. Public health center. Bogonso. Post office. Uchegig. Bank. Unhang. School. Hagio. University. Daehagio. Man. Namja. Woman. Yoja. Adult. Sungin. Teenager. Chongsanyan. Child. Alini. Baby. Aggie. Teacher. Susung. Friend. Chingu. Scholar. Haksha. Engineer. Giselja. Businessperson. Giabin. Employee. Gunloja. Specialist. Jungmunin. Clergy. Jongkyo-win. Soldier. Gunnin. Student. Hagsang. Well done, you just learned Korean government words.
See you in the next video.